This is the BBC from London. We regret to inform you that this is the final transmission. As we just heard on the news a few moments ago, Earth is facing an unavoidable threat, a colossal black hole that is moments away from engulfing our planet. There is no escape. We urge you to gather your loved ones and be together in these final moments. Cherish the time you have left, hold each other close, and find solace in the bonds of love and companionship. This is a time to set aside our differences and embrace the profound beauty of humanity. Find strength in one another, for it is through unity that we can face the unimaginable. We want to express our deepest gratitude for your trust and viewership over the years. It has been an honor to bring you news, entertainment, and stories that have shaped our shared history. We hope that in some small way, we have contributed to your lives. Please gather your loved ones and prepare for the end of the world. Thank you for watching the BBC. We will sign off like we used to do, with God Save the Queen. Our thoughts are with you all.